Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to teach you how you can create a counter section or in Elementor. For example, this one it counts like 11. So what you do first is to go in the description and check this link. Open it. After opening it, go to a page you need to add. Let me delete this. Go to a page you need to add that element. Then on it, search for HTML. After HTML, go to that link, then you copy this HTML up to here. Copy, come, paste. So at first it will look like this, but we are going to add the CSS so that we can make it look better. The CSS I also created it and it is here. You just have to copy it. Copy this CSS up to here. Then you go to advanced, custom CSS, paste. So we shall have something like this. So once you have something like this, each of these you can change. For example, the background, the icons, these counters here like 11 plus the partner, project, clients, and meetings. By coming to content, then you start. For the first, this one here, the first column, this one, you can change this maybe to even to add there another zero, just like that. And depending on it, this is where you can change the icon for the check. This one, you can change it from here just by going to font awesome, click on it. Once you have clicked on it, check the icons, click on the icon you need. For example, most of these ones here are pro icons. Let us check for free icons. For example, we need this house. Click on the house. After clicking on the house, you come down here, far dash house class, far dash house. So you can come here, change that one, you paste this. After pasting, you can remove this one, remove the class. Even this one. So here you can still add here an icon for the house. For example, you come here at the middle, then you paste here your icon. How do you get this icon? You come to elements, then you put like an icon here like this. Then you look for that icon you feel like. For example, you need like a car or vehicle. Or you can say anything like this. For example, let us take that one. You close this, then you inspect this. After you have inspected, you'll find that it is a class ID is here. Just copy this class ID, far envelope, close it, then you come to this one. Can close now this one. Click here. Come and look for where this one is, which is for this one here. Do not mind about the size because it will all resize. We have added that CSS. So after that, you can even preview your work and see how it looks like. You find that they all have the same size. So to change the background here, you go to CSS, then you can change the background color here. For example, we can put like FF like that. You can add here another 0 like that. So you preview like that. So in case you need to add the border radius, still you can do that. Come here down and say border radius, put like 10 pixels. You see it's already there. So in case you need to add the size of the icons, you can still come and say here and put here like something like 70. So after adding 70, you preview, find that it's like this. So in case it doesn't match, come here and inspect for the icons. And like now this one is having 90, weight of 90. So you can add this one here, then you say font size 100 pixels, depending on how you need them to look like. So you can add this one, add it to this one, add it to this one, add it to this one, depending how you need them to look like. So that's how you can do that. Let me know if there is anything still you need to learn about this, but this is how you can create it in your WordPress Elementor